Solve 50 equals p squared minus 5p. Let's get a 0 on one side of this equation since we have a quadratic equation. Subtracting 50 from both sides, we have 0 equals p squared minus 5p minus 50. Now let's see if we can factor this. We would have 0 equals, if this factors, it'll factor into a product of binomials. The first term in each binomial will be p. And we have numbers that multiply to negative 50, add to negative 5. We have negative 10 and positive 5. Setting each of those factors equal to 0 using the principle of zero products, we have p minus 10 equals 0, or p plus 5 equals 0. In solving for p, we have p equals 10, or p equals negative 5. Both 10 and negative 5 check in the original equation, so we can state the solutions are 10 and negative 5.